Hey Ariel, I spoke to Candy earlier. My name is Devin. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm just going to really quickly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix so you can start bringing in more customers. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you, and it's really simple. I just found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners who are spending all their time taking care of their customers and they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that making these free attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up calling me back asking me to do this stuff for them. Whatever you want to do, this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is just to educate and help out business owners. I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. And your website's a great looking website. I really love the design of it. I love all these little logos and trust factors, and you have this scrolling gallery here. It's really, really nice. You've got a beautiful website for sure. What Google cares most about is this content right here, how much words you have on the page. And the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words on it, which is where you want to be sitting. It looks like you probably have about like 250 to 300. Your main competitor in Tomball is Premium AC, and you can see right here, they don't have that much more content than you, but you can tell it's very clear they have a lot more content than you. They definitely don't have 2,000 words though, so by getting yourself to 2,000 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. You also want keywords inside of that. So like a keyword you can target is air conditioning repair Tomball TX. You can see right here, 50 people search that every single month. So you want to have that inside of your content. So if I type in air conditioning repair, you don't even have the word air conditioning repair on there. So you want to have air conditioning repair Tomball TX somewhere in your content in those 2,000 words. That's tip number 1. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's like a popularity contest and they want to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you. Keep in mind though, they do want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you versus if you had like Baskin Robbins linking to you, because Google knows you're not an ice cream store. So the tool I use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month. You don't have to use it. There are a bunch of free tools out there that give you all this data. I just pay for it because it consolidates it all together in a really nice dashboard. But what it says you got your first link back in October of 2020, and you currently have 4 websites linking to you, which is a great start. Your main competitor, Premium AC, only has 23 websites linking to them. It'd be really easy to beat them. What I would do is just copy the links that they have, because if it works for them to rank them, it'll work to rank you too. So you just go to these different websites that they have that are linking to them. You create a profile and you put the link inside of your profile pointing back to your homepage. Or what you can also do is click the Contact Us button and ask them to put a link to your page. Or some of these you may have to pay for. But whatever you do, if you just copy the same amount of links that they have and put them back to your site, it'll rank you as well. So just by finding those or following those 2 tips with the content and the backlinks, that's how you end up taking the organic spot. It's one, you can show up by paying for ads, you can show up organically, or you can end up in the right here in the Google My Business local map pack rankings. Getting here just requires having more citations than your competitors, and a citation is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. Directory being like Yelp or Yext or Yellow Pages, or anywhere where you can just list your business's information. So what you need to do is you need to put yourself in more directories than Seasons Air Conditioning and Heating. So like if they were in 150 directories, you should put yourself in like 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I try to keep it short and sweet. As a very quick recap, you're going to want 2,000 words on this homepage, and you're going to want to have keywords inside of that content. You're going to also probably want to get about a total of 30 to 40 websites linking to you, and you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. And if you follow these 3 tips, you're going to be number 1 across all of Google. So what I recommend you do now is take this information, apply it immediately, and get yourself ranked up to the top of Google. If you end up not wanting to do this stuff yourself, but you still want it done for you, you can give me a call. I'll see if I can help you out, and if I can't, I'll at least put you in the right direction. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.